Meaning of homeschooling.
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 Homeschooling. Homeschooling refers to the practice of educating children at home, typically by parents or tutors, rather than sending them to a traditional school setting. This approach to education allows for more personalized and flexible learning experiences, as well as the ability to tailor instruction to meet each individual child's needs. Homeschooling can also provide opportunities for families to spend more time together and for children to learn in real-life settings, such as through field trips or community involvement. However, it can also be challenging and requires a significant commitment of time and effort from parents or caregivers.